Hello, hello, can you hear me?
Hello, Miss.
Hello, hello.
Hi. Yeah.
Can you hear
There.
me? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
okay. So, how are you this week? Are you busy?
Little.
Oh, okay.
I will
So,
test this next
last
week.
week, last week, do you have time to go to attend the briefing?
No.
Oh,
I did that time.
okay. So you didn't attend the briefing for
Yeah.
the competition?
Yeah. Pretty
Oh,
much.
okay. Okay, so you won't able to also you will skip this competition, the Bebras.
I didn't have time. Is it
Oh, okay,
that
okay.
like there's one more briefing because I'm checking the Discord and yeah, there's one more briefing.
Ini dia nih, Miss. Saya makanya belum jawab, Miss. Biar dia yang jawab sendiri, Miss.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, if you don't attend the briefing, yeah, you can answer the question because yeah, they explain you how to do it in the briefing.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah, never
I,
mind.
I,
Yeah,
ch-
we
I checked the
yeah, it means
Discord. It's over here.
yeah,
Right.
so
Where's the folder?
I think today is
Minecraft. What is it?
the last chance to fill in the question answer.
Right. Why did it suddenly open Microsoft Word? No.
Did they mention what is the
I'll try. I can't click the button. I can't like go in there. A second. I can't. I'm trying to share screen. I think my device is like lagging. I'm checking my task manager. Can't click on the buttons here.
today today they have at 8 a.m. and 5
Oh,
p.m.
but that's past.
No, 5 p.m. haven't passed. Hasn't passed
Oh
yet
yeah.
this one. I send you the
Try.
form, yeah, in case you want.
I
In
can't click
case
the chat. I
I
can't
send it
click the
to Zoom
chat.
chat.
Yeah, I can't click the Zoom chat.
You cannot click Zoom chat.
Yeah, hold on a second.
Mm. Yeah, in case you're interested, you can register again. Otherwise, yeah, you may have to skip because you cannot answer without joining the briefing.
No.
Okay.
Where can I click it? I hope. Like it won't want to click it.
Is that works? No. If no, I
No, I'm
send it to
sending you the
WhatsApp.
video. I'm sending you the explanation. Explanation why I can't click.
Oh, okay.
Meron gusto mga tuloy.
Let me send again. Can you?
No. I can't open it on my laptop.
Yeah, you can
I
open.
guess
You can open from
oh yeah, I'll
WhatsApp.
just do it on phone. Yeah, I
Yeah.
can't open WhatsApp. My window button won't work.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you can open from phone.
Okay.
So the thing, yeah, I guess today is the last day to answer. Actually, it's not that much, only 15 questions. And I think they gave you like around less than 1 hour, so you finish it less than 1 hour. So yeah,
Those
it won't take long time.
I just one. Ah yes, mountains.
Zero. Inspira.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll try to fix my laptop after it's done. I can at least open this.
Okay. Okay.
At least open my VS Code so we can do it. Yeah. Okay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay. So today, let me search. Last week, we finished on editing photo.
Yeah.
Let me search. Okay, this week we will create a game using Pygame. The game name is Shooter Game. Okay. Okay. Yeah, maybe you can. Yeah, you can see the game, and yeah, can you let me know how? Do you understand how the game works?
Looks like you shoot a bunch of aliens all trying to make your way through the level. And there's like a score system, miss system.
Yes, yes. So,
I'm guessing that,
mm,
yeah. I'm guessing that you lose when there's more than 3 enemies. Miss the enemies. Oh.
yeah, so you shoot the enemies or the alien. So you use left and right arrow key to move, and then you shoot using space, and then yeah, how many enemies we have here?
6.
Yeah, 6. So there will be 6 enemies. It will appear randomly, and then yeah, it will win once we able to destroy 10 enemies, and then it will lose if we miss 3 enemies. Okay, or if we collide with one of them, like yeah, because we miss 3 enemies, that's why we lose.
Yeah.
And yeah, if we collide with one of the enemies, yeah, we also lose. Okay. Okay, so later we will create a mind map. The name is Shooter Game, and then yeah, we need for first the visual. For the visual, we need a sprites or the character. Like there are 3 characters that we have to prepare, like the player, the enemies, and the bullets. And yeah, we also add background music and sound effect. Yeah, also statistic for the defeat enemies and the miss enemies. For the logic game, yeah, for the movement, for the player, we will use arrow key. For the enemies, it will appear and move automatically. And for the bullets, it will appear once we press a space bar. Okay. And how
Yeah.
about the logic? If the bullet hit the enemy, yeah, the enemy will defeat, and we will win once we are able to kill 10 enemies, and yeah, for the lose if we miss 3 enemies. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Do you have any question related to the logic?
Isn't the losing condition also when the enemy hits the player?
Oh yeah. There will be another losing condition. So losing condition there are two. If the enemies hit the if we miss 3 enemies and if we hit the enemies. Yeah, if we collide with the enemies, yeah, we will also lose. So yeah, there are 2 losing condition. One more is collide with the enemies. Okay, good job. Yeah. There are 2 losing condition. Okay, is this clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, later today I think we will do the template first, like creating the background and the player, and also yeah.
Counter. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I will refresh knowledge about creating game using Python. Yeah, even though last time you already create your game in Python for the competition, yeah, that's good, but yeah, we will try to refresh again. So later, if later there is another competition, yeah, it will be more easier for you. And yeah, first thing, if we want to use a Pygame, yeah, of course we import the Pygame libraries. And then if you want to create a window size, we use like Windows equals to display dot set mode. The width will be set, for example, will be 700, and the length will be 500. And then if we also able to set the caption by doing display.set caption. And yeah, if we want to add a background photo, we can use transform.scale. And 700, 500 is the length and the picture size. Window.bleed background means we display the background to the screen. And yeah, last time we also add a music. So
Yeah.
if the music we use mixer.init, it means we enable the music feature. And then if we want to load the music, mixer.music.load, and then you mention the file name. And yeah, if you want to start the music, you use the play. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, last time we also used class, right? So do you still remember when you use class for the coding? When you use class?
When we were creating like the story and the main functionality of the game. Like the
Yeah, that's
moving.
correct. Yeah. So here we will use the class to create the character of the game or the game sprite. Like the ballots, the player, and the enemies, we will use one class only. The name is game sprite. And then here game sprite, there is something inside the inside the there is something inside the bracket. It means we inherit, we import function sprite from the library sprite. And then init function, what is init? Do you still remember?
Oh, init is for letting the function play. And
It's a constructor.
for
It's a first
oh,
function that we need to run whenever we create a class. So it's to initialize all variable that we need. So in here, how many variable we have inside
for
init function? Actually,
5.
yeah, only four.
Oh,
Player image, player X and player Y is the position of the player, and player speed. So first image, transform.scale. It means we load the image, and yeah, we load the player image with size 65 times 65. And then we set the speed of the player. Why we need to set a speed? Do you know why we need to set the speed?
so it won't just so it can move and not just stay in that position statically
Yeah.
forever.
So yeah, it's you can know how far it will move. And then stuff.rect.x and y is the position of the image. Okay, and then we go next. Okay, so today we will create a background, picture background, and then put the music.
Right?
Okay. Maybe we try first. You can share screen and
I
yeah.
can't click the share screen button.
Oh, you cannot?
I still I can't. Like it won't like it's not like you didn't allow me to. It literally just can't. I
Oh,
I might just restart my computer. Hold on a second.
okay.
I mess again.
Are you
Take
able
it.
to share screen now?
Yeah.
Oh,
Now I
okay,
can
okay,
the
that's good,
cookie
that's good.
button.
Yeah, first we do the mind map. So what is the mind map? The game name is Shooter Game. Yeah, and then it consists of two parts, visual and logic. Yeah, for the visual, what you need to, how many visual that we need to add? Sprite, music. What else? Background. And then counter for defeat enemies and miss enemy. Yes, good job. For the sprites, how many character? Yeah, for the music, we have background music and sound effect. Okay. For the logic, we have a sprite movement. Yeah, and we have sprite collision. And we have win and lose condition. So, sprite collision. If the enemy hit the bullet, what will happen? For the movement, how the sprite will move. Use arrow key, and then for the enemy, it will appear randomly. And for the how to shoot, you will use a spacebar. Yeah, good job. Okay, you can save. Okay, next we go back and then go to the next exercise. Not this one, just go back. Yes, this one. Okay. So, do you still remember how to import Pygame? Yeah, from Pygame, import star. And then, oh yeah, you already added in the first line, so it should be. And then we first thing we will initialize the background music.
Oh yeah.
What is the background music here? Do we have background music?
Yes, so let's hear it.
Yeah, Fire
Continue.
OZZ is the background music.
Wait,
Sorry,
what?
space.OZZ. This one is music.
How do I we need to
Yeah, mixer init and then mixer init no need variable. Wait, I will show you the example.
oh
Yeah. To initialize mixer init and then to load is mixer music.load. It's not fire, it should be space. And then yeah, maybe try first. Can you hear the music?
very sure.
Can you? Is there any music? No?
No.
Mm, okay, maybe later. Okay.
What's this trend?
Oh, have you played? You haven't played?
I have played. Look,
No,
I
not yet.
clicked
This
it.
one, music.play. Nothing? Okay, later. Maybe later. Okay, next.
I think
Also create a sound for the sound effect for the fire. So, how to do it? You do like this.
oh
Okay, next. Can you initialize the background and also the hero? The background name is Galaxy, right? So the background picture equals to Galaxy dot. And also the hero name is Rocket. Yeah, good job. Next, we will create the class for the character. So we create class called game sprite and then import from sprite. And then don't forget the colon.
how about the
Yes.
widgets?
So next,
Import.
we create a constructor to
Never mind.
initialize all the variables.
Alright.
Player EY and then size. Wait, yeah, let me copy them like this.
Oh.
Okay, so what is the difference? Yeah, player X, player Y with size X and size Y. What is the difference?
Player Y and player X is, well, the position, while size X and size Y is the size.
Yeah, so player X and player Y is the position of the player, and size X and size Y is the size of the image.
Yeah.
And then we will load the image and also load the speed. Yeah, next for the player X and player Y, no, we will do something like this. Self
Oh,
the rect image to get rect, we get the position, and then we set the
because
position of the image using player X, and yeah, set the position of the image for player Y. Mm-mm. Okay, good job. Next, we'll create one more function to drawing the character to the window. So how to drawing the character to the window? We
also
create
draw.
another function.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah, create another function. So to draw the picture to the window, we use window.split. We mention the image and also the position. Yes. Next. Next, we will create a player class. Yeah, what does that mean? Yeah, so that means we have a player class that imported function from GameSprite. So we don't need init anymore. By importing this, we automatically have init from GameSprite. So we just go straight to function to control the player. Okay. So what is the logic? So we will detect which keyboard key that we are pressing. Is it left or right? Okay. So we create a function called update. So to update the position. This key with S, because we key with S, key with S. Okay. Yeah. So if we go left, it will be minus. Why? Because if have you learned coordinate at school? Like if you go to
No,
the
but
left.
I learned from Minecraft.
Oh, okay, that's good. This one is minus, and then this one is positive. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you do for the right side? No, for the yeah, it will be plus, and for the right, can you modify a little bit? Wait, the if is different. Yeah. So we make sure that if we go right, we are not passing the screen. Yeah, we check with the Windows screen. Okay. Next, we create a function first to shoot the ballots, but we will do it next week. Just prepare the function. Okay. Next, we finish creating the class. Now, what we will do is creating the window. So yeah, create a window 700 times 500. And then we write down the title of the game.
I forgot how to do that.
Yeah. Set caption. Yes. And then we set the size of the window.
Oh,
Okay, once we finish with the background window size, we'll do a background. So yeah, prepare a background variable, and then we scale. Okay, yeah, okay, we already create the background, great job. Next, how to create the player? Which class that we have to call?
player.
Yeah, we do it here, yeah, after player class. Don't do it before, okay. Which image that we need to use?
What?
Which image that we need to use?
It should be easily rocket image. Was
Yeah, what is the variable name, yeah, for rocket image?
rocket.png. No,
No,
wait, no,
the
no, wait,
variable
where
name.
is it? Image player. Image player.
Yeah, image player. Wait, let me check. Yeah. So you do it like this. Oh, we do it for rocket.png. Yeah, this is the position and the size. Okay. Next, we create a variable first as a flag that the game is not finished yet. So finish equals to false. Later, if we want to finish the game, we can change the variable to finish equals to true. And we create another variable to as a flag to initiate the game. Run equals to true. Okay, and now we will start the game. So to start the game, we need to use a loop. right? So we use while run. So as long as the game is running, and then we use loop for
E and then dot get E dot hide.
yeah. So what is
Wait,
it? So even is a condition when the user interact with the computer or when the user interact with the game. So here we try if the interaction is quit, what will happen?
if it's quit, then what?
If
If
the user click quit, what will happen with the game?
game closes, the end.
Yeah, the game closing. So the run equals to false. Equals, yeah. Next. So if the game is not finished, so we create if it should be same line with the for. Yeah, if not finished, we will update the background. So it will be window dot bleed background. Yeah. And then we will update the ship movement. So ship dot update. Yeah, and then we will reset the movement of the sprite or the ship. So ship dot how to call reset? Ship dot we will reset. Yes, and then break it. And then we update the screen is it will be display dot update. And then we add a frame rate per second, so we delay. For the delay should be here. Yeah, okay, let's try.
I hope it's its own freaking part.
Let's try to run the code.
M underscore background 916.
It's not background. Can you check what is the background?
The
Hero, yeah, change the variable name. Okay, can you move around the
No,
player?
click the arrow key.
Is the arrow key words?
No,
Can you click the rocket?
trying.
Click and then arrow key left and right. Cannot?
I think I can hear it's no.
Okay, so if it doesn't work, can we go back? I think maybe something. Um. Okay, can you print? Maybe we can debug. After line 30, can you print the keys? After line 30, print. Sorry, 31. After 31, in keys. Yeah, so it will detect whether you press the button or not. Okay, run the game again. Huh?
I'm not even clicking anything.
Stop, stop, stop. Don't use string. Don't use string.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay.
what the?
Pause. Okay, stop. Can you press something?
What?
Left and right? Oh. Can you press something left and right while you running the game?
I'm risking a blue screen. I'm
Pressing
really
something.
risk-
Pressing left and right.
I'm pressing both of them.
Oh, okay. Okay, stop. Yeah, I think something wrong with your code. Let's see.
I guess all falses. Like,
There is no true at all. Okay. Okay. Can you scroll up the code? Okay.
oh my gosh.
Let me check. Key underscore left.
I wanna copy this so that I can take a screenshot later showing this. Just don't
Okay.
press the blue screen.
Can you also send me so I can check? Is there something wrong with your code?
Alright. Alright then.
Okay, let me check. Yeah. Oh, can you go back to your code? I think something wrong.
Yes, I am already in the code.
Here, it should be less than. Line number 35. It should be less than, not greater than. This one, this one. No, no, no. This one, this one.
Oh.
Less than, less than. Plus. Okay. And then import time. On the top of the code,
Yeah, I was
import time.
trying to
Yeah,
do
we
that
have.
one.
Yeah, okay, try again.
Now it just crashes. Hey, this doesn't spam pause every 5 minutes. Line 53?
Okay, change is not delay, time dot sleep. Okay,
Sleep?
time dot sleep, and then 0.005. Okay, try.
I love
Can you go left
this.
and right?
Let's test. Yes, but at the cost of a blue screen.
Okay, can you remove the print? Print keys, just
Okay?
remove them.
Look
Yeah,
like this.
yeah, please run it again.
Yes. Now
Okay,
finally we can move.
yeah, good job. Finally, you can move. So yeah, just a small mistake.
Yeah, I love myself.
Okay. Okay, can you stop share first? Let me share screen. Okay. So what had you done so far?
Uh, it finally works. Now the spam pause every 2 minutes. I mean, 2 seconds.
And then
Yeah.
the player will able to move. So today, after this, we will do enemies. Like we create 5 enemies and how to make the enemies appear and move automatically. So the enemies will be like this. Yeah, so it will be, there are 5. So how to do it? Let me skip. So yeah, later we create enemy class. Okay, an enemy class will inherit from game sprite, similar like player. And then you have to create another function called update. And then yeah, the enemy able to move across the states from the top to the bottom. So from the upper side to lower side. And then we need to create more than 1 enemies, because there are 5 enemies. We use sprite.group, and then yeah, we call monster.add monsters, because we have more than 1 monster. And also we will draw the monster to the window.
Okay.
Okay, maybe we try first creating the monster class and then make it appears on the screen. Okay. Let me show the code. Yeah. So where we can add the enemy class?
We can add it probably here.
After the class enemy, and then we import from game sprite. Yeah. And then we don't need init anymore, because we just import it from game sprite. We just need a function update. Update self.break y plus. Why it's plus? Yeah, because it will moving, the y will move. So it will be like this, right? So it will go down and go up. Yeah, so the one is changing is y coordinate. Okay, next. So what will happen if I wanted to create a variable here, score equals to 0 and loss equals to 0. Yeah, for the scoring and loss. Like if we miss the enemy 3 times, we will lose, right? So we create a variable loss to count how many enemies that we already miss. Okay. And then, yeah, we continue again in here. Yeah, we create an if.
Random.
Yeah, random, and then
I need to import it.
yeah. So what does this mean? What does this code mean? Can you tell me? Can you
This
guess?
means that
If
if you if it's contributing to losing. So if the height is less than, on
greater
this
than,
guessing 80,
no.
it's
So
gonna
if the
plus 1 to the
if the
lose.
position greater than window height. So this is window size, right?
Oh,
This is window height. So if the y or the enemy position is going down over the screen, that is the if the position of the enemy greater than the screen, okay, it means we change the position and then loss equal to loss plus 1. What does that mean?
So then lost gets one more point, and yeah, contributes
Yeah,
to the
once
losing team. Yeah,
no, once you have lost 3 times, you will.
lose.
Yeah, once you have lost for 3 times, you will lose. Okay. Next, we will create a function to draw the monster.
Alright, hold on a second. How do you do that again?
You do it. No, you do it outside the class.
Oh,
Like this. Outside the class. Monsters here. Yeah. Just fix the indentation. Yeah. And then the bracket. Okay, next. We will loop the enemy monster. Like, how many monster we have? 5,
how
right?
many more? We have 6.
Oh yeah, so yeah, we loop for I in range. Oma, Brandon. Yeah. Okay. How to add the image of the monster? Yeah, we haven't add the image, I think. Can you go up?
I'm guessing this is the image.
Yeah, UFO. Can you go up and initialize the image? I think we haven't. Mm. Okay, next. What should we do?
Connected.
Yeah, we call the function. How to call the monster function inside the while? After ship.update, we call monsters.update. Yeah, monsters. No, before the ship.reset. Yeah, there. Yeah, okay. Please try to run the code first. Let's see. Is there any error?
Uh, line 52 in constant.
Which one?
Line 52.
Oh yeah. What is that? Oh. Brandon 80. It's not 8 minus 80.
Oh,
80. We thought minus.
alright. Oh my, I
Yeah.
forgot.
We haven't import from random import random.
Oh, I need something
Yes.
wrong.
Okay. Not showing yet.
Boom.
Oh yeah, we haven't called this. After ship.reset, we call the monster draw the window. Yeah.
I'll
Yeah,
try
is that words?
80 quintillion.
Yeah, is that works, right? Okay, so maybe that's it first for our progress this week. So can you tell me
Yeah.
what we had learned, what we had done this week?
Made a new project game.
Yeah, the project game is shooter, and then what
Uh,
we did in the project,
Made 2 classes, game sprite and player.
and also Anna.
And enemy too.
Mm.
Enemy.
And then what we done in the player and enemy.
Made it somewhat to work. So there's like a template but no actual functionality to play the game.
Yeah, so we make the player able to move, and also the enemy able to move. Okay,
Yes.
and how about next week? What should we do next week?
Probably make the shooting functionality work. So
Yeah, the
and make it
shooter,
somewhat
and also
playable. Make it somewhat playable.
yeah, and also the score.
Playable score, yeah.
Yeah, and also win and lose condition. Do you think it's difficult? It's easier than your game, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I know
So
more things than I did when I was doing it.
yeah, that's true.
Like
Okay.
use mixers.
Then don't
Yeah.
forget to send your code to WhatsApp later if you miss the code. Yeah, so you won't miss the code. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it for today class. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, wait. Don't forget to submit so you won't lose the code. Okay. And yeah, don't forget you have the Bebras Zoom session. Yeah, if you still want
Oh yeah.
to attend, it's like 5 p.m. I will wait, I will pin it to the Zoom WhatsApp chat. Okay. Yeah, this
The
one.
time again.
Okay, this one.
Alright.
Okay, yeah. I think that's it for now. Yeah, if you
Let's
have
check
more
the
question
time.
related to the competition, you can ask me later. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it. So see you again next week. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yes.
Bye.